For months, fans of the hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters have been buzzing with speculation about the future of the show and whether or not it would be renewed for another season. The show, which has followed the life struggles and transformations of Tammy Slaton, Amy Slaton and their family members since its debut in 2020, has become one of the most talked about reality programs on television. From health updates to relationship drama to emotional family storylines, the series has given viewers an unfiltered look at the highs and lows of weight loss journeys and personal battles, with Season 7 concluding on a cliffhanger that left many questions unanswered. Rumors began swirling online about whether Season 8 would ever happen or if the network had quietly decided to pull the plug. Amid the chatter, one of the stars has finally spoken out, delivering a bombshell announcement that has sent shock waves through the fandom and reignited interest in the series. The Slaton sisters have long been polarizing figures, with Tammy in particular drawing headlines for her health issues, fiery personality and dramatic weight loss transformation. Over the years, she has gone from being confined to her bed and dependent on oxygen to walking independently and proudly showing off her new look on social media. Her journey has been filled with challenges, including a near-death experience, hospital stays, rehab stints, and even dramatic changes in her love life. Meanwhile, Amy has faced her own struggles balancing motherhood with her weight loss goals while navigating relationship turmoil and trying to carve out her own independence as a mom of two. With so many ongoing storylines, fans expected TLC to continue chronicling the family's lives, but when weeks turned into months with no official announcement from TV network, whispers of cancellation grew louder. Online fan groups speculated that TLC might be finished with the franchise. Some pointed to declining ratings, others noted that the cast members themselves had been vague when asked about filming. Many wondered if Tammy's health would make it difficult to continue, while others suspected that behind-the-scenes drama may have led to hesitation from producers. These rumors gained traction after several outlets published reports claiming that the network was weighing whether or not to move forward with additional episodes, fueling fears that Season 7 of May H. Avenue been the final installment. However, in a surprising turn of events, one of the stars finally broke their silence, confirming that not only is there news about the show's fate but also teasing what fans can expect moving forward. The bombshell came when Tammy Slaton took to TikTok with a cryptic but exciting message. While responding to fan questions, she revealed that Season 8 is indeed in the works, but it won't be exactly what viewers expect. Tammy confirmed that cameras have already been rolling on new content, though she hinted that the upcoming season may look and feel different than past ones. According to Tammy, producers are shaking things up to keep the story fresh and to highlight the next chapter of her and her family's lives without giving away too many spoilers. She promised that fans would see major changes, especially when it comes to her personal growth and relationships. This revelation quickly spread across social media, with fans expressing both relief and excitement that cancellation rumors were finally put to rest. Amy Slaton has also fueled anticipation by posting several behind-the-scenes photos on her Instagram stories, hinting that she has been filming as well. In one image, she shared a makeup chair with the caption, "Back at it again," leading fans to believe that production was underway. Though Amy has been more private in recent months, her return to filming suggests that Season 8 will once again include a mix of both her and Tammy's storylines, along with appearances from other family members like Chris Mishti and Amanda. Chris Combs in particular has become a fan favorite thanks to his humor and supportive presence, and many viewers hope to see his continued health journey play out on screen as well. Industry insiders suggest that TLC sees strong value in keeping the Slaton family on television because the show has consistently driven buzz across social media platforms, from viral clips on TikTok to trending hashtags on Twitter. The sisters have a way of capturing attention even when they're not actively on screen. The cancellation rumors appear to have stemmed more from a lack of official communication rather than any actual plans to end the series, and Tammy's announcement has now reassured fans that Season 8 is happening, though it may arrive later than expected. Production delays are common in reality TV, especially when health issues, family obligations and contract negotiations come into play, and the Slatons have dealt with all three in recent years. Fans are already speculating about what Season 8 could focus on. Some believe Tammy's rumored new relationship will take center stage, as she has been spotted with a mystery man in several fan photos. Others think the season will highlight Amy's continued efforts to raise her children as a single mom. Following her split while still working on her fitness goals, there is also interest in whether or not Chris will undergo additional procedures or share more about his own journey. Viewers have grown deeply invested in the extended family dynamics, and many expect more emotional moments as the siblings continue to support and challenge each other along the way. The bombshell announcement also comes at a critical time for TLC as the network continues to balance its roster of reality shows with several other series facing uncertain futures. Keeping 1000 LB Sisters alive ensures that TLC retains one of its most talked about franchises. Reality TV experts note that the Slaytons are uniquely positioned to keep delivering compelling television because their storylines naturally evolve with real-life changes. Unlike scripted shows that must rely on manufactured drama, the authenticity of Tammy and Amy's struggles has always been a draw, even when controversy surrounds them, and Season 8 appears poised to continue the tradition. As fans process the news, many are now shifting their focus to when the new season will actually premiere. While Tammy did not give an exact date, she hinted that fans would not avenue to wait too long and that official announcements from the network would be coming soon. TLC typically releases new seasons in the early part of the year, though filming schedules and post-production timelines can affect final release dates. If cameras are already rolling, it is possible that Season 8 could debut within the next 6 to 8 months, though this is not yet confirmed. Until then, fans will likely continue scouring social media for behind-the-scenes hints and updates from the cast. The cancellation rumors may have temporarily cast a shadow over the future of 1000 LB Sisters, but the bombshell announcement from Tammy has reignited excitement and given fans a reason to look forward. Again, the upcoming season promises to deliver more emotional revelations, dramatic transformations, and of course the signature humor and honesty that has made the Slayton family household names. While the exact details remain under wraps, the confirmation that Season 8 is happening is enough to keep the fandom buzzing for months to come. What once looked like the end of an era has now transformed into the beginning of a highly anticipated new chapter for the sisters, who continue to inspire, entertain, and surprise their loyal audience. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.